Your kitchen counter is a secret battlefield where bacteria hides in the deep grooves of those old wooden boards you have used for years. We have all seen that dark staining in the center of a well-loved cutting block. You scrub it, you oil it, you hope for the best. But eventually, wood warps and plastic gets covered in deep scars that trap food residue. This is the exact problem that the Katori Titanium Cutting Board claims to solve forever. It looks like a piece of equipment pulled straight from a high-tech laboratory. It is sleek and thin. It has a cold and heavy presence that makes those cheap plastic mats feel like toys. When you see it in those flashy online ads, it looks like a miracle. Water just beads up and rolls off. Stains from beets or pungent garlic seem to vanish with a single wipe. And to be fair, that part of the hype is actually true. In practice, the cleaning process is incredibly satisfying. You can transition from slicing raw proteins to dicing vegetables with just a quick rinse and a wipe. There are no pores for germs to settle into. There is no lingering smell of onions the next morning. It feels incredibly sturdy under your hand. It does not flex or slide around when you are working through a pile of potatoes. But we have to talk about the sound and the sensation of the work itself. Cutting on a metal surface is a completely different world compared to the soft give of wood. Every time your knife lands, you hear a distinct metallic click. It is sharp and loud. Titanium is an exceptionally hard material. Your kitchen knives are usually made of stainless or carbon steel. Basic physics tells us that when a softer metal repeatedly strikes a harder one, the edge of the blade is going to suffer. It will roll. It will dull much faster than it would on a traditional board. If you have spent a lot of money on high-end cutlery, this should give you serious pause. You are essentially trading the health of your knife for the cleanliness of your board. You will be sharpening your tools much more often if this becomes your daily driver. The price tag is another hurdle. This is a premium item. You are paying for the durability and the modern look. People often ask if these viral products are just clever marketing tricks designed to take your money. I wouldn't call this a scam because you're getting a physical, high-quality product that performs its core function well. It is a genuine, well-built product that does exactly what it says on the box. It will not mold. It will not crack. It will likely outlast every other piece of equipment in your kitchen. But it is not a perfect solution for everyone. It is a trade-off. You get a hygienic and beautiful surface, but you lose that soft, forgiving feel that chefs have loved for centuries. If you prioritize ease of cleaning above all else, it might be a game changer for you. Just make sure you have a good knife sharpener standing by. Don't let the slick marketing make you feel like your old wooden board is a relic. This is just one more tool in the kit. It has its strengths and its very clear weaknesses. Choose the one that matches how you actually work in the kitchen and how much you enjoy maintaining your knives. Regardless of the choice, it is clear that the future of the kitchen is moving toward these non-traditional materials.